Hi, Miss Peace. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Smiling Villas Cookies. I'm 28 years old. I'm from Coronel, South Cotabato. I'm single.
Do you have kids?
No, ma'am.
How many siblings do you have?
I have six brothers and two sisters, and I'm the eighth
Okay,
child.
so you're the eighth child. Okay, can you tell me about your educational background?
I'm graduate culinary, ma'am.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad?
No, ma'am. I'm tested the Philippines experience as house helper September 9, 2021, October 10, 2024, and my duties are responsibility, cooking, caring, car washing, and take care two children aged 4 years old and 6 years old.
Okay, did you also do the cleaning of the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I'm honest, hardworking, and I'm loyal, and I'm loving person.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
Yes, ma'am. I'm left right.
Can you show?
There, ma'am.
Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I work abroad because I want to help my family financially and save my future kids.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them in a calm voice.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.